Okay, if you're in the agency world, you know the pitch is pretty much everything. But what if the way we've all been pitching for years is now just fundamentally broken? Today, we're exploring a massive shift in how projects are won. We're moving away from just talking about the future to actually letting clients experience it with interactive AI demos. And believe me, this isn't some new trick, it's a completely new rulebook.
So, let's talk about what's broken. It's 2026, right? And the classic agency playbook, wow, it's really showing its age. You know what I'm talking about. Those polished PDFs, the slick slide decks, all the promises that used to seal the deal, they're just not landing anymore. Clients have evolved. They don't want to be told. They expect to see, to touch, and to interact with solutions. And the traditional pitch, it just can't keep up.
And if you need proof, here it is in some pretty stark numbers. Look, this isn't just a small gap, it's a chasm. Interactive demos, they're pulling in over 24% conversion. Meanwhile, all that static content is just languishing at a mere 3%. That's an 8-fold advantage. The data is practically screaming at us that letting a client experience a solution is so much more persuasive than just trying to describe it.
This number right here, this should be a huge wake-up call for every single agency out there. A staggering 81% of B2B buyers have pretty much already made their decision before they even speak to your sales team. Think about that. They are out there, researching, comparing, and forming their opinions based on what they can see and experience online. So by the time you finally get on that first call, the race might already be over.
So, if the old pitch is broken, what's the fix? Well, it's a completely different way to sell, one that's built around interactive AI demo environments. This is the technology that bridges that huge conversion gap we just saw and gets you right back in the race.
So what are we really talking about here? To put it simply, a Drupal AI demo environment is basically a temporary, live website preloaded with all these powerful AI tools. Its whole purpose is to stop you from just describing features and actually empower you to demonstrate them to clients instantly.
I love this analogy. It's the perfect way to think about it. A cloud development laptop. It's this self-contained, powerful workspace you can just spin up in seconds from anywhere in the world. You know, all that complex setup, the configuration headaches, they're just gone, which leaves you totally free to build and show off incredible solutions on the fly.
And this isn't some pie-in-the-sky concept for the future. It's here, right now. Platforms like DrupalForge let your entire team launch these complex, AI-powered environments right from a browser. All that technical friction that used to get in the way of a great demo, it's a thing of the past.
Now this is where it gets really, really powerful. See, it's not about getting a blank slate that you have to build from the ground up. It's about having a whole toolkit of pre-built, sophisticated solutions ready to go, covering the exact AI use cases your clients are asking about right now.
Just imagine this. A client asks about scaling their content creation. Instead of just talking about it, you spin up a live demo for AI-assisted workflows. Or maybe they're worried about brand safety? Bam! You can demonstrate an automated content moderation system right there on the call. From scraping competitor data to digitizing documents with OCR, you can prove what you can do in minutes, not weeks.
Okay, so having the tools is one thing, but how does this technology actually help you win more business? Let's connect the dots directly to the core functions of any agency, handling those RFPs, closing sales, and leveling up your own team's skills.
The difference in the approach is just stark. The old way was so passive, right? You describe features in a document and just hope for the best. The new way is active. You demonstrate the features live, and then you share a link so the client can explore it on their own time. You go from risking a demo on a fragile production site to playing in a safe, temporary sandbox. It's this critical shift from passive to active selling. And these applications, they weave into everything you do. You can embed a live demo link in your next RFP response and immediately stand out from that stack of PDFs. You can turn your sales calls into truly interactive workshops instead of boring one-way presentations. And, crucially, you can create these hands-on training labs for your own team to master these powerful new AI tools.
And that internal training piece, you really can't overstate how important that is. Get this, 78% of Drupal developers are already using AI tools in their daily work. These skills are no longer a nice-to-have, they're a core competency.
Demo environments become the essential sandboxes for your team to master the very tools clients now expect you to be experts in.
So ultimately, this all comes down to one simple but incredibly powerful philosophy. The future of proving your agency's value, of earning a client's trust, it's all demonstrable. It's a return to the oldest and most effective rule in the book: show, don't tell.
In today's landscape, it's pretty clear. The agencies that are going to thrive are the ones that can prove what they can do in real time. A live demo isn't just a flashy sales tool, it is tangible, undeniable proof that you can deliver on every single one of your promises.
So, this really just leaves one final crucial question. This shift is happening right now. Agencies are winning pitches this way as we speak. Your competitors are already out there demonstrating the future to your potential clients. The only question left is, are you?